Hi everyone. In this session we are going to discuss about the linear equations in one variable. Okay. So first we are going to look at what is meant by variable. Variable. Variable is nothing but the alphabetical letters. For example, A, B, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R and so on. So these are the variables in the linear equations. Second one, we are going to look at the constants. What is meant by constant? Constant is nothing but the numbers. The values of the numbers does not change because it's stable for all the expressions or all in the equations. So constants always remains a constant because it is a number, it's a value, so it cannot change. So constant is nothing but the numbers, for example 1, 3, 7, 6, 9 and so on. Next we are going to see what is meant by terms. Terms is nothing but the combinations of variables and constants. For example, 6x, 6 is a number and x is a variable. Next example is 7xy. xy is a variable, x and y are the variables, 7 is a number. So terms is nothing but the combinations of a variable and the constant. Next we are going to see what is meant by an expression. Expression is nothing but the combinations of variable, constant along with the algebraic operations. So what is operation? Operations is the nothing but the addition, subtraction, that is plus minus. These are the algebraic operations. We all have a clear idea about that what is an expression. So now what is meant by equation? Equation means equality. The terms always used to say that equation means equality. For example, in the left hand side we have some expression, in the right hand side we have some constant. For example, 2x plus 5 equal to 3. This is called the equation because it has left hand side as well as right hand side. So in between that we have the equality sign. So we have for equation we have left hand side equal to right hand side. So this is called the equation. Okay. So now we have a clear idea about what is meant by variable, constant, expression, terms and finally an equation. Yes. So now we are going to see linear equation in one variable. So what is meant by linear is if the equation have the highest degree as 1, then it is called the linear equation. For example, 6x plus 7 equal to 2. This is an equation. But here we have the highest degree of this equation is 1. Next, if you have the example as 3x square plus 2 equal to 5. This is also an equation. But the highest degree of this equation, that is the second equation, 3x square plus 2 equal to 5 is an equation, but it is not a linear equation since it has the highest degree as 2. So, this is not a linear equation, whereas the equation first is called the linear equation because the highest degree of the first equation is 1 and the highest degree of the second equation is 2. So, it may be called as a quadratic equation, not the linear equation. So, in this session we are discussing about only the linear equation. Linear equation means the highest degree of the equation is 1. So, this is called a linear equation. So, next, linear equation in one variable. For example, 6x plus 5y equal to 8. This is also an equation and this is also an linear equation, but this is not a linear equation in one variable because this equation contains a two variable. Here we have two variables as x and y, but we are discussing about the topic as linear equation in one variable. So, the equation 6x plus 5 equal to 3 is the linear equation in one variable because this equation has a variable, only one variable as x, and the highest degree of this linear equation is also 1. So, this is called a linear equation in one variable. So, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.